Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Yes, I am doing this. I am doing a haul video because with NSEMs coming up and the number of COVID cases being inversely proportional to my motivation, I have no more ideas left. Okay, so before getting into the haul, I am going to be talking a little bit about the brand, the shipping, how to save money, etc, etc. So if you want to skip that, I'll put a time frame in the description and somewhere on the screen so you can directly skip to that part. Okay, so I've made a list of things that I want to talk about so that I don't forget anything. The first thing, what is Urbanic? For those of you who haven't heard about this before, it's pretty similar to Shein except that the prices are pretty high compared to it. But once in a while, if you feel like treating yourself, there's no harm in buying a few items from there. So the second thing I'm going to talk about is shipping charges and shipping period. So the site does offer free shipping for orders above 990 rupees. Otherwise, you have to pay a standard delivery fee of 99. So I personally feel it's best to shortlist like 2 or 3 items that you want and then buy it together to, avoid paying shipping again and again. Now, I think the shipping period differs slightly based on the time period and the region you're in. This parcel, I had ordered this on 29th March and it arrived yesterday, which was the 10th of April. So like 10 to 15 days. Now, besides saving on the shipping, another way to save money is the first time that you create an account on Urbanic. They give you 2 coupons. The first one will give you 100 rupees off on orders above 1000 and the second one will give you, I think, 250 rupees off on orders above 2000. Besides this, if you use Paytm for clearing the payment, you get another 100 bucks off. So I suggest you to do that because that's a great money saver. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we can finally get into the haul. As you can see, I haven't opened the package yet because I wanted to give a live reaction. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've basically ordered 3 clothing pieces and 3 accessories. The package does come with this like bubble wrap thing inside, so you can be assured that all of your products are going to be delivered safely. So the first item that I have is a shirt. All of the items come in like these Ziploc bags and I can never for the life of me figure out how to open them, okay? So this is what the shirt looks like. I love it! I've seen so many influencers wearing this and I've always wanted to have one myself. If you know me, you know that I'm like a huge sucker for anything artsy or art related. Here we have the Statue of David, we have Mona Lisa, we have the Birth of Venus, somebody that I don't recognize. We have Van Gogh here and then the girl with the pearl earring. So I am in love with this. The material is pretty great. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. So it's perfect for Mumbai's scorching heat. And I've just paired it up with a simple pair of jeans. It's also a great piece to layer under button-down shirts or jackets. Okay, so I am going to alter between a clothing piece, a jewelry piece, a clothing piece and a jewelry piece. So a jewelry piece that I got are these very cute and dainty little heart hoop earrings. I've always wanted something like these that are not too gaudy but then they still make a statement. These are like the perfect blend of a sweetheart style and a classy touch at the same time. And I think they look amazing with any kind of outfit. Okay, so now it's time for a clothing piece. I've been waiting for these for so long. They're these absolutely incredibly beautiful pants. I have no idea why my camera refuses to pick up the color, but it's like a very pretty lavender. And they're bell bottoms, which is great for a midget like me. Recently I've seen bell bottoms trending all over the internet and I wanted to get myself a pair so bad. And I saw these on Urbanic and they blew my mind away. And it was love at first sight. I don't know what to tell you. They look so good, especially if you're shorter because they just accentuate your legs and make you look 10 times taller somehow. Plus, I love this color so much. They're also super comfortable. Like, I barely feel like I've got any pants on at all. The material is a little see-through, but I think it's manageable. And the best part is that they are high-waisted and they do an extremely good job of covering up all my insecurities. This is a 10 on 10. Alright, so the next item is again a jewelry piece, and this is also something that has been super all over Instagram. They are these super cute butterfly earrings, and they come along with this matching pendant as well. I wanted to buy one for the longest time and I finally got around to doing it. I feel like just like the heart earrings, these two will go on pretty much everything. Okay, now I'm just going to show the last piece of jewelry that I bought because I am very excited for this top and I want to save the best for last. Now, like I mentioned earlier in this video, I am a sucker for all things artsy, and the moment I saw these on the website, I fell in love instantly. They're so unique and so different from the other pieces that I've got, and I felt like they'll make such a nice statement with whatever you wear them. These look so pretty. Okay, so they are basically these angel earrings and they come with a matching pendant. These are absolutely stunning. I have no words to describe them. You know, these are one of those pieces that instantly make an outfit 10 times better. Like, you could be wearing a gunny sack, but if you wear them with these earrings, people will think fashion. I also really love the details on the wings and the face. They're so delicate and elegant. This is definitely my favorite jewelry piece that I've bought in the entire haul. These are staying on for quite a long time. Okay, we are on to the last piece. I'm so excited for this. I'm pretty sure if you follow fashion, or even if you don't, you might have come across one of these Argyle printed sweaters. They were in fashion like quite a few months ago. But the problem is that I live in Mumbai, and here you either wear anything that is remotely close to a sweater material or you stay alive. And I was so frustrated because I knew that even if I bought the sweater vest, I'd probably only be able to wear it like twice or thrice for 1 or 2 days in December or Jan, and that's it. I found a regular top that has the Argyle print. This is so cute. I was so happy I found this. As you can see, it's like a very normal top. It has a kind of stretchy material and you can easily layer this under whatever you want without boiling to a crisp. You can also wear it just like that, and you can wear it throughout the year. Okay, that's it for today's haul. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below for more such videos in the future. And as always, if you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and comment. I will leave a link to all of the products in the description in case any of you are interested in buying any of them. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!